Chartered in 1882, Hastings College sat on a treeless plain. The development of the campus meant a redevelopment of the area itself, the beginning of a tradition of planting trees that continues to this day.
Sunday afternoon, April 25th, 1883, people walked from churches downtown. They did a little ceremony, and then they planted 227 trees. And the occasion was the laying of the cornerstone for the first building on campus. The campus is surprisingly large, over 100 acres. We have about 1,100 trees. We have almost 100 species and subspecies, like 14 maples, 12 oaks, and so forth. And that's one of the things our Arboretum is known for. It's known for its beauty and diversity.
The Arboretum expanded with features including a rain garden and Japanese friendship garden. At the center of campus, a living monument still stands, an American elm, which was one of the original trees planted in 1883.
It has grown especially tall. It has the classic fountain shape where it has a high trunk. The branches spill over, and I collect seed and send it to the Nebraska Statewide Arboretum and the Nebraska Forest, and they grow from seed and sell them or give them. Usually they're about this tall in little pots all over Nebraska.
The trees have become a metaphor for lifetime learning and growth. The continuing tradition of the planting and the care of these trees continues to offer numerous benefits to the campus and Hastings community.
Nebraska is known as their prairies, but there's something to be said about seeing just a beautiful shade-covered lawn. Environmentally, it cleans the air, it provides shade that keeps things cool.
People are happier when they're around trees, so emotional intelligence is stronger. People like being around trees.
Here at Hastings College with the Arboretum, we have them all tagged so you can see exactly what type of tree it is. It's also good to kind of experiment. Sometimes you get unique trees into arboretums and it lets you know, does this tree survive? Is it good for Nebraska? Especially as climate changes, it's really important to have those.
Our students are learning environmental stewardship, and once you plant trees, they will never be lost on them. And then the students here will keep coming back to check on these trees because they had a hand, they got their hands dirty in the soil.